Top 20 connectors with examples. 1. Therefore. She studied hard for the exam, therefore, she passed with flying colors. 2. However. The weather was cold, however, we decided to go hiking. 3. Moreover. The plan is practical, moreover, it is cost-effective. 4. Although. Although he was tired, he finished the project on time. 5. On the other hand. This option is cheaper, on the other hand, it may take longer. 6. In addition. The hotel offers free breakfast. In addition, there is a gym available for guests. 7. For example. Many countries have unique traditions. For example, Japan celebrates Hanami. 8. Consequently. He missed the deadline. Consequently, the project was delayed. 9. Despite. Despite the rain, the game continued as planned. 10. In contrast. The northern region is cold, in contrast, the southern area is warm. 11. As a result. The company improved its marketing strategies. As a result, sales increased. 12. Similarly. She enjoys painting. Similarly, her brother loves drawing. 13. Furthermore. The proposal is well researched. Furthermore, it addresses key concerns. 14. Meanwhile. The guests were arriving. Meanwhile, the hosts were setting up the decorations. 15. On the contrary. I thought the task would be difficult. On the contrary, it was quite easy. 16. Thus. The evidence was clear. Thus, the jury reached a unanimous verdict. 17. In conclusion. In conclusion, the data supports our hypothesis. Because of this. The road was blocked. Because of this, we had to take a detour. 19. In my opinion. In my opinion, traveling is the best way to learn about different cultures. 20. Nevertheless. The team faced many challenges. Nevertheless, they achieved their goal. Thank you for watching. Practice these phrases daily to improve your English. Subscribe for more lessons and tips. See you in the next video.